Hello everyone, I'm so excited to come your way today. And what that makes today very special, or what that makes this very special for me, is because I have now found a way to address some of the questions that many of you have been asking me in the past. A number of people have contacted me regarding the possibility of answering questions or taking you guys through in other units such as microbiology, histopathology, biochemistry, and immunology. I have given that a thought, and I decided to collaborate with some friends and colleagues here who are already working in the UK to help to address any possible questions that can be asked either in histopathology, immunology, microbiology, or biochemistry. The whole idea is to help you guys to do well during your interview, because you need the required knowledge to be able to do well and excel in that interview, and of course the overall get the job as a biomedical scientist. Therefore, I hope as you listen that you are going to enjoy it. And please don't be shy. After listening, please feel free to put any comment of any question that you have regarding the video, and I'm more than happy to answer or get that colleague to answer the question. Okay? Yeah?
My name is Felista. I'll be contributing to the questions asked for BMS under NHS. Our focus will be on histological questions, and we'll also be treating star questions. Star questions are questions you create a situation, the task you took, the action, and the results in histology. So we'll be looking at the histology questions first, mainly. So first, let's talk about one of the questions asked. So I'll be looking at past questions from different trusts. So we'll go through them week by week. So first, we want to know, what is the differential diagnosis of skin tumor? When you are asked differential diagnosis of skin tumor, so they just expect you to say different disease condition or different cases seen on the skin. When I mean disease condition or cases, I don't just mean the malignant ones or the cancer ones. I mean both benign lesions. So first, we'll look at squamous cell carcinoma. Squamous cell carcinoma is a major skin disease, a major cancer disease of the skin, and it's because of the epidermis, the epithelial cells of the skin. So most of the epidermis is made up of flat, scale-like cells called squamous cells, so squamous epithelial cells. And this cancer is generally known as Bowman's disease. So that is the common name we call it. So if you mention it the once, okay, yeah, you're actually practicing histology. So squamous cell carcinoma, microscopically we see INC ratio, we see prominent nucleoli, we see polymorphism, hyperchromatism. These are the features we see. We see tumor diastasis. This gives us features of squamous cell carcinoma. Then we also have melanoma. Melanoma is a form of skin cancer that begins in the cells, the melanocytes that controls the pigments in the skin. This is also a common disease condition of the skin, and it's because of the melanocytes. So that is why it's called melanoma. And the feature we see microscopically, we see brown pigments, which is from the melanin. Then we also have basal cell carcinoma. Basal cells are the round cells found in the lower epidermis. So when we talk about the basal cell carcinoma, we named it basal cell because of the cell it originates from. So that is why it's called basal cell carcinoma. So most times in histology, we name malignancy based on the sites we are seeing them. If we are seeing them from the prostate, we say prostate carcinoma. If we are seeing them from the cervix, we say cervical carcinoma. So this is basal cell of the skin. So that is why we are calling it squamous cell carcinoma. The same way we called squamous cell, which is because it's originating from the squamous epithelial cells. Then we call melanoma because it's a type of malignancy that is affecting the melanin. Then we also have the Merkel cell cancer. It's a rare type of skin cancer that usually appear as a flesh-colored or bluish-red nodule, often on your face, head, or neck. So Merkel cell carcinoma is also known as neuroendocrine carcinoma of the skin. That means associated with the brain, and it's mostly in older people. And the feature you see is the fresh-colored or the bluish nodules around the head, face, or neck. They have the spring nevule. That one is epithelial and spindle cell. So we also have some spindle cell tumor. So this is spindle nevule, but this is actually benign. It's not a malignant condition, but it mimics the melanocyte nervure. So it's usually seen affecting the spindle cells of the skin. So this is about the differential diagnosis of skin tumor. So you can read more and see, but these are the major ones we diagnose on the skin. Thank you.
So I hope you enjoyed the video, and please let me know how the video has helped you by putting a comment in the comment section, and of course like, share, subscribe, okay, because the subscription will of course help the channel. And also, if you do have any comment, don't be shy, put it in the comment section and I'll try to answer the question. If it is something that I think that the colleague can help me to answer, I'll also contact the colleague to answer. The whole idea once again is to help you to do well in your interview. Thank you very much till we come back your way again. Bye-bye.